Hello and welcome to my channel, A Cozy Home. My name's Susan. In this video I'll be sharing with you my look for my small space Christmas tree, which I got my inspiration this year from John Lewis. They have 4 Christmas themes this year, and one of the ones I fell in love with was their Renaissance theme. As you can see from the photo, that the main colours of this Christmas tree is pinks, golds with pops of green and white. Luckily for me, I've already been for some years now been using pastel pinks for my Christmas decorations on my tree. So I decided to recreate my own interpretation of a Renaissance theme using what I already own. However, I didn't have anything in green, so I have purchased a few items in green, which I will be showing you later on in the video. So I do hope that this video gives you a bit of inspiration on what you're going to do with your Christmas tree this year, and to use what you already have. Don't spend too much money on buying new decorations. I've set aside every year a small £5 budget towards Christmas decorations, which is a maximum of £60 a year. So don't feel you have to go out and buy new every year, because you shouldn't. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so here we are. Here is a little table selection of my fancier decorations. I bought the green ones, which is the hummingbirds that I've just purchased. I think these look fabulous. These are from John Lewis and they're going for £6 currently. They're online as well as in their store. Also these I've purchased from John Lewis. I think these are quite unusual and very reasonably priced, £1.50. So I've bought about 8 of those. And the other purchase I made was these, John Lewis as well, and these are going at £5. Let me hold one up for you. So I think they're very pretty. So now the others are decorations I've had for quite a while. These were purchased on eBay. These angels are still selling. I think this is the 3rd year at John Lewis they're selling these angels. I bought mine a while ago. I'm not sure of the current price, but I will put a link in on this video for you. Anything that's available that's still currently going, I will ensure there's a link that's been included. Hello again. So as you can see, I completed the tree by putting on all the lights. Didn't turn out exactly how I wanted, because when I stepped back at one point I noticed there was a gap where I had missed putting some lights, so I had to slightly double back on myself. So I'm a little not too happy because I've got a line coming down where I've doubled back on myself. So it didn't come out as great as I wanted it this year, but it's going to have to do. It still looks great anyway. So the other thing I've now done, I've actually completed placing the baubles inside with all the reflective ones. So here's an example of one. So it's pretty much this colour and 2 other lighter colours than this. This is the darkest I kind of went to. So I've now placed them inside the tree, and you can see a shot of that and what it looks like. So now my next focus is to start decorating on the outside. And what I'm going to do, because this is such a small slimline tree, I'm going to start adding some of the bigger items. So the larger, I have Christmas decorations a lot larger than these Christmas balls, so they're about 8 centimeters in diameter. So I'm going to start placing them on the Christmas tree first, and some of the heavier objects of my Christmas decorations, and then I'll place the smaller ones on thereafter, in between the gaps. So I'm going to get started.